Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to move drawing from your PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF file. Now I'll move this drawing. Simply click on this drawing and select, and now drag your mouse. You can move anywhere and see this. And also you can press Ctrl X and cut, and now go another page and press Ctrl V for your keyboard and see this drawing now move. In this way you can move a drawing. Also you can select multiple drawing and move this here. Firstly select, click and press Ctrl key for your keyboard and hold it and select another one and see. Now move this two of these at once and see this. Yeah. In this way you can move a drawing. You can move single one and multiple. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.